Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track bags on KLM app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track bags on KLM. So firstly, you need to go and of course go to the site and enter details. But first, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, my trip, check-in, and information. And in the top right corner, we have all the things about your profile. And in the middle, we can go and book a flight. So basically what you need to do is go and tap to the manage booking or manage my trip, which is here in the top left corner. Then enter your reservation code and last name to locate your booking. At the moment, I don't have any bookings. That is why this is empty for me. Then look for the option to track your bags. This is usually found under a section like baggage or track bags. You can view the status of your checked bags, such as checked in, on the plane, or sorted. If you encounter any issues, for further assistance, you can contact the KLM customer support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.